as you have seen how to create an account in my other video, let's talk about how to create a gig on Fiverr. Today I'm going to make a book cover design gig, so let's get straight into it. First, click on become a seller, then continue. We have already done this in our other video, so let's add continue, and then finish. Now let's click done. First, you need to add a gig title, but before that, it is necessary to do some research to find the right keywords you are looking for. Now, for example, we can go here and type book design. And in here, there are 19,000 services available, but if you go to category and see book cover design, there is 10,000 services available, which is less than before. And in service options, there are different genres, design styles, and service offerings. So you can see that each style and each services has different amount of services available. So in here, we are going to go to typographic because it has a less number of competition. You can see there are only 900 services available. And let's click on this, and there is 3 orders in queue, which is a good sign because we are not only searching for low competition, but there should also be orders in queue, because without any buyers it is of no use, even though it's of low competition. So in here there are 7 orders, but it's a top rated one. So let's go further down and let's see. So in here, let's see this one. There is still 1 order in queue, so this is a good sign. So let's go to our gig and let's add our gig title. So as you can see, I have used many keywords. It helps your gig pop up more when the terms are searched, because if a buyer searches for ebook covers instead of book covers, you still show up on their search page. Now let's go for category and subcategory, and here you can see it is already suggested graphic designs and book design. Now let's select the type of service. We are for book cover design specifically. Now our design style is typographic, because as you have seen, in typographic style there are less competition and there are still some orders. And for genre, you can choose anything you want and whatever you are interested in. And now the file format. Now let's use some positive keywords. I have used now save and continue. Let's get to pricing. As you can see, there are packages, so let's create packages. Now let's describe the details of what you want to offer. Now in here I have written 2 minimalistic book cover design. Now let's add the delivery time. It's 1 day, and here it's 1 day. Then in here we can do 2 days. Now let's add back and spine designs. I'm going to give this offer to every package, and source file for only premium and standard, 3D mockups for every package. And you can add jacket cover, but I don't do that. And for social media kit, I don't have one. So if you have one, it is a great way to attract customers. So now we have revision. I like to give them unlimited revision. Now let's keep our prices 10, 10, 20, and 40, because according to the concepts I'm putting my price. Like one concept is $10, so two concepts is 20, and four concept is 40. You can choose whatever price works for you. It's not compulsory to do this 10, 20, 40 trend. And if you have shorter stock media and if you can use it, you can do it. But for me, I don't have that, so I'm not gonna keep it in my package. You can charge for extra delivery. Like for my premium, I'm gonna charge for 1 day, I'm gonna add $5 for it. There are even other additional charge, additional services you can choose, but it is not compulsory. Save and continue. Now for description, let's write. And as you can see that now I have finished the description. Now you can highlight what you want. Like in here I want to highlight this part, and you can also do bold letters and highlight. You can use italics if you want. And now you have services I provide. I want to make it capital and have a highlight. Now you can put numbers or bullets, it's up to you. So I'm putting numbers. So now my description is over. I will There is also a frequently asked question FAQ section. So in here you can write questions which normal users ask you whenever they want to get a book cover design. For example, if you want to add more questions, you can click on add FAQ. And now you have to write questions about the requirements you want to ask the buyers before you continue with this order. For example, the size of the cover page, or how many pages does the book have, and if they have any theme for the book, or if they have any ideas, or if they want to use any stock images they have which they own the legal rights to. So let's add these questions. And now enter, save and continue. Now for the most important part, the gig gallery. This is where buyers will look at what you can provide and what you have to offer to them, and the quality of work you do. So you need to add eye-catching and high quality 3D mockups of your book cover design. As you can see, you can add 3 images. You can also add videos to have more interaction with your buyers, and you can upload up to 2 documents of PDF files. In those also you can put your book covers 3D mockup. So I use Canva for my covers, as it is free of cost and it does not need any money. Now I go to Canva. So before I create a design, I first go to smartmockups, where I get all my mockups from. So at first I'll go to print, and in here I'll choose the books. So there are pro where you will have to pay, but I usually only use free stuff. So I go free, and then you have all these, and you have a lot of options even though it is a free one. So for me, I will go with this mockup. So you can see that it has given a specific size for the mockup. So with this size in mind, I will make a design in Canva, custom size. So this is the size specified in the mockup. So I'll create a design with this size at first. So now that we have the size, we will now continue to make a design which we like. Now let's choose a sticker. I'll go with this sticker, and here it is with this, and this is the whole concept of this. So now that it's over, let's see text. For text, I'm gonna use this, and in here, Mr. Woobly. Wait. Now we have ungrouped it. So here it's Mr. Woobly. So there you have it. So let's download this in PNG. Download. Now we go to here and upload from upload image. Now go to home page. Now let's have another height and weight. So now I'll choose this height and weight, and let's create a design. Go to uploads and upload files. Upload this. After you have done this, let's set as background image. You can detach it. Done. So if you want to edit photos, you can go here. We have filters. You can even adjust. You can crop the photos if you like. Done. Now as you are done with your design, let's download it. Download. I have already put one image. Now let's put another one. Now add tags to this. I will choose literature. Now add free tags. I'm only gonna tag one, but you can do up to 3 tags. So continue, and you can also add more pictures. Save. And now let's go to our profile, and as you can see here, and this is it. You can add more designs if you want, and this is how you make a book cover design gig. All the websites I used to make this book cover gig will be in the description box down below, and in the future I will bring more gig videos which will be beginner friendly and even a beginner can make without investing any money. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.